This is UFC and Mac 12502. Let's do this thing. Good luck. It's a weight class team based. All right. Oh, yes, the title that G didn't update. 12502. Oh, finally, it's a base card that's not Glover. All right, RDA to 49 for the lightweights. To 99, Derek Bronson, middleweight. Hey, Ma, how about a cookie? No dice. This ain't over. A Movza Evloev 1925 rookie canvas. This octagon canvas was used at UFC 263. That's cool. To 99, Angela Hill, 37.99 for the strawweights. To 99, it is T-Ferg Premium Relic Auto for the lightweights. This last card is bloody cool. Moments. Henry Cejudo becoming double champs in 2019. That is 25.99 for the bantamweights. What a beautiful card that is. Congratulations, bantamweight. Moments. Oh boy. Okay. 2 boxes of a case, you know, is wow. 3 means lit product. I don't know why I keep writing Feb 11th. Every day I wake up, it's February 11th. Maggie, do you need a tin, buddy?